You're going into college and they're mortgaging your education. They're ultimately saying to you, right, come on, be educated. We're going to put the price up and then we're going to put a debt on you when you leave. This is bad, this is so bad. People can't afford to go to college as it is at the minute. So how are people meant to afford €20,000 debt when they leave?
But we'd like to see the government go back on all those decisions they made during the hard times, to give students their rights again, to give us the right to education. There shouldn't be financial barriers in front of it.
So what we're asking the government in this budget to do is reduce the student contribution fee by €250 to €2,750 and just make that gradual reduction. But we're also looking for investment in the grant because the cost of living has risen, but the grant hasn't. The grant has stayed the same.